Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Dom and we're going to talk about unusual options activity. Alright, let's kick it off with a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show and are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize all investments carry risk. There's no guarantee of profit. Alright, first one I want to bring up is PLTR. Now, I don't normally trade PLTR. I'm not really sure why. Last time I saw some big unusual options activity in this one, they announced a contract with the government the next day. This is a cybersecurity company. It's pretty hard to get a gauge on how this company is doing because they do a lot of government work. So they can't really share a lot of details on their conference calls and such. But as you can see here, there was some huge call buying in PLTR today. 65,000 contracts traded, October 22nd, 25 strike call. They're buying all the way up to the 27 strike call. There's even some options activity in some of these other expiries here. The October 29th. There was also a little bit of some activity, not really there, but also a little bit of some activity in the November 19th. Now, there's a lot of open interest in these options because it's a really popular stock with a lot of retail traders, so it's kind of hard to get a good volume to open interest ratio on this one. But I'd say 65,000 contracts traded, open interest of about 32,000 is pretty darn good. And I do like where the stock is setting up on the chart here. It does kind of look like we came up, touched the 50-day moving average, came up to it, and failed. Looks like some of these moving averages here are converging. So we closed below the 200-day, which is that teal line, below the 50-day, which is the purple line. So that's not very constructive, but I do like the fact that the stock has pulled back. I probably would have liked to get in around this 23 level, but it's super hard to bottom pick here. So I do like that the stock was just recently at almost 30, pretty much like 10 to 15 trading days ago. Now it's about 5 points lower. So I do like the stock is pulled back. I do like the activity. I'm not in these calls yet. I might even go out and buy the stock. But yeah. So we'll see what happens with this one, everyone. Next one I want to talk about is GM. Now, another constructive chart here. I do like that we're kind of pulling back here. I don't really like that this kind of looks like a little bit of a double top here with some of these other resistance levels here. But I do like the fact that GM is down from its highs. I did sell my stock position probably around 60 or so. But now I am in the options. These expire this week. So extremely short term, extremely risky if you don't know what you're doing, and if you don't know how to handle short term option positions like this. Just leave a comment down below. If you want me to expand on my strategy here with these short term options. So I like the activity here. About 10,000 contracts traded, open interest of about 1,700. So extremely short term. You can see here that they are buying some out of the money calls here. These 57 calls aren't really far out of the money here. These 57.5 calls aren't super far out of the money here. But I like the activity that I saw. I like where the stock is at on the chart. I like the stock. Great CEO. I think the stock has a lot of future potential ahead. So we're in these calls, everyone, and we will see what happens. Thanks to everyone who has been subscribing. If you want me to keep making more videos, if you want me to post more often, do more videos, make sure you shoot me a subscribe. Make sure you share this content with other people to get them to subscribe. Make sure you like the video, share the content with somebody who likes to trade, who's trying to learn how to trade. Make sure everyone checks out my Twitter channel. Shoot me a follow over there at OptionGuru100. I post about trades that I'm doing during the trading day, so you don't have to wait until after the trading day to watch these videos. So, thanks for everyone who's been showing the love. We'll see you in the next one.